If you want to change your name on Epic Games, this quick guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're updating your display name for a new gaming identity, fixing a typo, or just want something that fits you the better, the good news is that Epic Games makes it simple once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can safely sign in and manage your account. Once the page loads, click the sign in option and log in using the account you want to update. This is important because the name change will apply to the exact Epic account you're using right now. After you're signed in, look for your profile icon at the top of the page. Click on it to open the account menu. From there, go to Account. This is where all of your Epic Games account settings are stored, including your personal information, security settings, and display name. Now that you're inside the account page, find the section labeled Display Name. This is the name other players will see in games and on Epic services, so this is the field you want to update. Once you find it, click Edit next to the display name. A text box should appear where you can type in your new name. Enter the new display name you want to use. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled exactly the way you want it, because this is the name that will be visible across your Epic account. If you're changing it for branding, gaming, or just a fresh start, this is your chance to set it up properly. After entering your new name, confirm the change by following the on-screen prompt. Epic Games may ask you to verify or save the update before it goes live. Once you confirm, your display name should be updated on your account. Keep in mind that Epic Games may have rules or limits on how often you can change your display name. So if you don't see the option right away, or if the change doesn't go through, check that your new name meets their requirements. Also, make sure you're changing the display name and not another account field by mistake. And that's it. You've now changed your name on Epic Games. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and now your account should reflect your updated name. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, gaming tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.